Hey guys, how's it going? Jet Scott here, and we got some packages in the mail. I've kind of got an idea what's in these, not 100% sure though. So make sure this is turned right. We're gonna open these packages up and see what we got today. Everybody on YouTube has their handy dandy cool funky knife that's expensive. I got the ultimate screwdriver. This thing will cut through anything. It'll cut through the fabrics of time if you aren't careful. So what do we got here? Whoo, this came real fast. I just ordered this thing like 2 days ago. This is my American Powertrain hydraulic clutch setup. This is super cool. The representative of American Powertrain, like I told you in the last video, his name was Greg, the guy I talked to. Super nice dude. He didn't give it to me. I still paid for it, but a hell of an awesome kit. The instructions. I'm a car guy, so these don't mean shit to me. We're gonna wing it. But you got some really nice kit in here. We're gonna bring this camera around and show you everything. There we go. The American Powertrain hydraulic clutch setup comes in this really nice box. I am not sponsored in any way by these guys. They cut me a little bit of a deal. Not enough for me to be like, oh my god, this is awesome. I can't believe it. I got it for free and I'm sponsored. No, I'm not sponsored by anybody. I bought this with my own money. As a matter of fact, actually, I'll be honest, my dad bought this for me for Jezebel. I got a pretty cool dad. This was not cheap. I appreciate everything he helps me with, and I help him too. But this is the Hydramax setup. There's our Willwood reservoir. Really nice kit. Of course, I don't know if I'm going to pay Dad back yet for this, but I probably will, because this was not cheap. But this is all going to work beautifully. Hot Rod did a big article on it. You know, we got our external reservoir mount stuff there. It comes with the Heim joints, all the special shit to make this work. You don't need to buy anything. At least that's what they say. Comes with a rubber hose, more steel braided line, and of course the slave cylinder with the special bracket. And then in this one, we got this funky deal. There's supposed to be a big pack of shims in here somewhere. I ain't digging around too terribly much because I want to keep up. The shims are in this package. We're gonna try to open this up a little bit. This guy is the install kit. Hydramax Ford by American Powertrain. So I don't think I need that. But you have to buy the TKO kit when you're using the 18 spline Mopar. At least that's what I'm told. But yeah, it comes with all the instructions, how to set everything up. I mean, it's quite a few pages here. Probably cut that little section out. Right there, a 3318 spline. Greg Scott, who got me the kit and everything. Everything it comes with. Very happy with that. Very, very happy. Yeah, there's my order. I placed it on the 14th, and then today is the 16th. But yeah, this is just a super cool kit. You know, if you're gonna go hydraulic setup in your anything you got, I will recommend this. I mean, if you got the money to spend, that is, save up and buy it. Of course, they gave me a really cool decal that's gonna be going on Jezebel. Yeah, I can't say enough nice things. This is a really nice piece of kit. I've never bought anything this fancy in my life. Never thought I'd be able to. Of course, Daddy bought this one for me. But at the same time, you know what? I'm going to pay my dad back just because that's the way I am. Oh, that's super cool. Super cool. Well, we still got one more package to open up. So let's get the other little camera rolling up there. And we'll show you what's in this other box. If I can get this closed back up. So, alright guys. Show you in a minute. Alright, we got one more package to unload. Want to make sure that was rolling. Once again, with our handy dandy screwdriver to cut the fabrics of time. Look at that. Like but oh, I can't believe this stuff already showed up too. So most of y'all won't know what this stuff is. But that's okay. I'll explain it to you once I get it all in package. Wow. I don't know what's cooler, that or this. Alright, let's show you what we got here. Here's what we're looking at right here. These are straight out of the package. You guys know what these are. Write a comment, pause the video, write a comment, tell me what they are. Alright, time's up. These, I saw these on Craigslist. These came from Nebraska. Just doing my nationwide searches. These are real dry sump oil pans for a NASCAR, for big block Chrysler. These were typically on Hemis. Now, these are pretty much useless now because you got to have the special oil pump. There's a lot of special parts you got to have to run these. And when I saw these, the ad said 2 aluminum 440 dry sump pans. I knew they weren't. I called the guy and let him know what he actually had, and he kind of figured that out when he was trying to make them work, that he couldn't get them to work. We got silicone on this one, but yeah, these are really rare. And when I first saw them, I thought they were both aluminum and one was just really dirty. No, I showed them to a buddy of mine in St. Louis. This one's made of magnesium. This coloring here, this is what magnesium does. Once it starts to dry out and oxidize, it turns into a powder. So we got a magnesium one. This is probably on a professional, equivalent of like a Richard Petty car. A real professional Hemi NASCAR. And this one, I don't know who would have ran the aluminum one, but super cool. And it also came with this windage tray with the pickup. Look at how crude that is. That is cool. Little screen. And a huge AN line. That is massive. And that slid out. But just give you an idea how massive that is. Okay, I got big fingers. Short fingers, but big fingers. This is my thumb. That is a huge hole. But yeah, this is just super badass. If you look up the part number, it's 3462231. You won't be able to find a whole hell of a lot, quite honestly. That's just how rare this crap is. But just unbelievably awesome day. Got my hydraulic clutch set up in these 2 oil pans. I'm going to be sending one of these to my buddy in St. Louis for a display engine of his, because he's helped me out a lot with my Hemi parts. He's the one who sold me the Mickey Thompson valve covers for my 426. And he sold me them for a really good price. So he's going to be getting one of these. He told me I can have whichever one I want. But, so yeah. I don't know which one I'm going to keep yet. Magnesium, you have to kind of take care of and care for. So I'm probably going to keep the aluminum one, even though magnesium's worth more. But ultimately, they're not worth shit unless you're going to use it for a display or if you have all the other parts, because these do take their own special parts to make them work. And you could definitely feel the difference between these. You know, aluminum's real light. This probably weighs 10 pounds. This thing literally weighs nothing. This thing's like 5 pounds. It is insane how much lighter the magnesium one is. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. Well, it's not really quick anymore, but I hope you enjoyed them. And obviously that's been damaged, but I don't care. They're still super cool. I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. All the videos have been coming. There's the stuff from the video that should be going live. Or should already be live, I should say. So, really hope you guys enjoy all the content and everything. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And be on the lookout for a very special video coming up that should be live anytime now. So you guys take care, and I'll see you in the future. Bye.